Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Climbs, where I help you climb smarter, not harder. If you're bullish on AI, but you're tired of hearing NVIDIA this, NVIDIA that, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to bring you three under the radar AI stocks that could potentially 10x, yes, you heard it here, 10x in 2025. Make sure to stick around to the end because stock number three is going to make huge waves in enterprise AI, and most investors are completely overlooking it. First up, we have one of my favorite stocks at the moment called CoreWeave. Now, this isn't just a hype play. CoreWeave builds AI optimized data centers and they're moving fast. Revenues literally jumped from 189 million to 982 million in just one quarter, guys. And they've secured a mind-blowing 26 billion in future contracts, including a massive deal with OpenAI themselves. They're supplying the infrastructure behind the AI boom. If we look at the CoreWeave chart, we can see the astronomical rise it has had from when it started reporting on the 28th of March at $40 to today at $120. You can really see investors pouring in on that revenue jump from 189 million to 982. These deals with OpenAI, with NVIDIA, with a number of others are really making this stock jump. But is this just the beginning, guys? This is my question for you. Where do you see this stock ending up? We can see even just over the last month, it has risen 133% from $51 all the way up to $122 as I speak to you today. If we look at the 5-day forecast, it looks like it's accumulating here. We're seeing sort of sideways movement. Is that gearing up for just another pump? Or is there a risk that this AI hype dies down? From the way things are going, it seems like AI is just stepping up, and this is why I really feel like this could be the next NVIDIA. If we catch it early enough, by the end of the year, we could be looking back at a price of near around $800 to $900, guys, if not higher, if they continue in this vein. Next up, a name you know but probably underestimate in AI, and this is Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. AMD's 5th gen chip is now being adopted by Amazon, Google, and Oracle. Their data center revenue is up 36% year over year, and they're eating into NVIDIA's lead. With growing developer support and strong cloud partnerships, AMD could be the sleeper winner in the AI hardware race. Looking at the AMD graph, we can see the current price is roughly at around $114. The 52-week range has varied from up to $187, down recently at 76. And my question would be, at the 76 mark, did we see a reversal, and are we seeing that slow uptrend now as we've seen it grow all the way from 76 up to $114? Analysts have set a 12-month price target of about $138, which suggests a potential upside of approximately 20% from the current price. So they believe that this uptrend will continue. Given AMD's strong presence in the data center and AI sectors, along with its recent financial performance, the stock presents potential opportunities for investors. So one to keep an eye out on. Lastly, we have C3.ai. C3 just released earnings for Q4 and their numbers were not bad at all. 108 million in quarterly revenue, up 26% year over year. Full year revenue at almost 400 million pounds. That's a 25% increase. 84% of that came from subscriptions, which is a great sign of recurring income. And they've got 742 million in cash. So they're not short on the runway at all. The only catch, they're still posting a net loss per share of 60 cents or 16 cents non-GAAP. So they're not profitable yet. But the real story is in their strategic partnerships. They've renewed their alliance with Baker Hughes through to 2028. They've secured a £13 million order from the US Air Force and closed 28 deals with Microsoft last quarter alone. This isn't a company sitting still. They're doubling down on enterprise AI, defense, and energy whilst building serious relationships across the board. Turning our attentions to the C3 graph, we can see that the current price is at roughly $25 and the 52-week range has varied from $17 at the low to $45 at the high. In terms of technical trends, the stock has been seen volatile swings with the AI sector sentiment driving movement, and that's been going up and down quite rapidly. Resistance levels approaching around $28 with support levels around 24. Broader market sentiment around investor interest in AI stocks remains highly speculative at the moment, even with a mixed analyst ratings. And broadly, the analyst outlook is some caution due to widening losses, but revenue growth remains strong. And there you have it, 3 AI stocks that could seriously outperform in 2025. CoreWeave scaling fast with OpenAI deals, AMD's dominating the data center race, and C3 AI is carving out real ground in enterprise AI. If you're looking beyond NVIDIA, these names might just be where the real upside is. If you got value from this, hit that like button to boost the algo, subscribe to Financial Climb so you don't miss the next big opportunity, and drop a comment below. Which of these stocks are you watching or buying? Thanks for climbing with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Keep stacking, keep learning, and as always, keep climbing.